from question number 1 to question number 6. Today we are going to start with remaining questions of exercise 1.2 from question number 7 to 10. So let's begin. So let us start with exercise 1.2 from question number 7. So students, open a maths NCERT book, page number 17. So now let us read together. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. A merchant has how much rupees? 78,592. So first statement, let us write here. Total money with merchant. How much money does merchant has? 78,592. She purchased an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. So what is the cost of one radio set given? Rupees 1200. So write here, cost of one radio set is equal to rupees 1200. Then we have to find out cost of 40 radio sets. So we will multiply here rupees 1200 into 40. 12 fours are 48. So it is coming 48,000. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? How we will find out? First you will write here money spent by her is equal to rupees 78,592 minus rupees 48,000. So let us subtract. It is coming 29503. That is rupees 30,592. So at last you will write, therefore rupees 30,592 will remain with her after the purchase. Question number 8. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. What student has done? He has multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So first let us multiply the wrong answer. So write here wrong answer. So you will multiply 7236 into 65. 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18. 5 2 are 10 plus 1 11. 7 5 are 35 plus 1 36. Multiply 6 6 are 36. 6 3 are 18 plus 3 21. 6 2 are 12 plus 2 14. 6 7 are 42 plus 1 43. 0 4 3 0 7 4. So answer is coming 4,70,340. But this is the wrong answer as he has multiplied by 65 instead of 56. So now let us multiply the correct answer. So write here correct answer. So multiply 7236 into 56. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 are 18 plus 3 21. 6 2 are 12 plus 2 14. 7 6 are 42 plus 3 43. 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18. 5 2 are 10 plus 1 11. 7 5 are 35 plus 1 36. 6 1 12 5 0 4. So how much it is coming? 4,05,216. So now we have to find out difference. So let us find out the difference. Difference in answers, that is equal to 4,70,340 minus 4,05,216. 10 minus 6, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 0, 6. So answer is coming 65,124. So this is the difference between wrong answer and correct answer. Question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? First, let us write here cloth required to stitch one shirt. Cloth required to stitch one shirt. How much it is? 2 meter 15 centimeter. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter will be 2 into 100, that will be 200 centimeter. So right here 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is 215 centimeter. Now length of cloth is given. How much? 40 meter. So right here length of cloth is equal to 40 meter. Convert into centimeter. 40 into 100 centimeter, that is 4,000 centimeter. Now question is, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So right here, number of shirts can be stitched, that is equal to, we will divide 4,000 by 215. So 215 ones are 215. Subtract, it is 5, 8, 1, 0. Then 215 into 8. Let us multiply here. 215 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12. 8 2s are 16, 17. 1720. Remainder is 130. So students, how many shirts can be stitched? 18 shirts can be stitched and 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. Question number 10. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which carry beyond 800 kg? So first statement we will write weight of one box. So right here, weight of one box. So what is the weight of one box given? That is 4 kg 500 gram. So students, we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kg will be 4 into 1000, that is 4000 gram. So right here 4000 gram plus 500 gram, that is 4500 gram. Now second part, how many such boxes can be loaded in a van? So now right here, maximum load can be loaded in a van, that is 800 kg. So multiply it by 1000 as 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So it will be 8, 2 times 0 and 3 times 0. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 8 lakh gram. So now we have to find out number of boxes. So let us divide here. Number of boxes is equal to, so divide 8 lakh by 4500. 4500 once a 4500, then 0, 0, 5, it will be 3. So the 0 will come down. It is 4500, 7 are 7 zeros are 0, then 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, then 31. So subtract 0, 0, 5, 4 minus 1, 3. Then again the 0 will come down. 4500, 7s are 3, 1, 5, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 5, 4 minus 1, 3. So the answer is 177. So question was, how many such boxes can be loaded in a van? So 177 such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Colleen Ma'am's class. So exercise 1.2, question number 7 to question number 10 we have completed. Now question 11 and 12 will be a homework. You have to use the concept of multiplication and division. I hope students these type of questions are clear. You just have to use the concept of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now in next part we will start with estimation and exercise 1.3. So stay connected, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.